Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Today we have some exciting news to share as we dive into the world of innovation. Motorola is making waves once again with the release of new Motorola Razr Plus 2023 model, a modern take on the iconic flip phone that captured our heart years ago. Let's take a closer look and see how this classic device has been reinvented for the future. So let's talk about the design and form factor. The design of the original Razr was revolutionary for its time, and Motorola has managed to retain that essence in Motorola Razr Plus 2023. The sleek flip form factor is back, but this time it comes with larger and more immersive foldable display. When folded, it fits comfortably in your pocket, and when unfolded, you are greeted with a stunning and expensive screen display. Alright guys, so let's talk about the display and performance. The Motorola Razr 2023 boasts a cutting-edge flexible display technology, delivering a vibrant color and impressive clarity. It comes with 6.9-inch of display, 2640 by 1080 pixel of resolution. With the advancements in the display technology, you can now enjoy a seamless and uninterrupted viewing experience on larger unfolded display. Under the hood, a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor ensures smooth performance and snappy multitasking. Alright guys, let's talk about the camera setup. The camera technology on Moto Razr 2023 has also received a significant upgrade. So guys, this phone comes with 12 megapixel, 13 megapixel and 32 megapixel of rear and front facing cameras. So you can expect stunning photos and videos even in challenging lighting conditions. The addition of various shooting modes and AI enhancements make capturing memories a joyous experience. Let's talk about very crucial aspect of the phone. Now I know many of you are concerned about the battery life, especially with the foldable device. Motorola has put considerable effort into optimizing the battery performance on the Razr 2023, ensuring it lasts throughout your day. And with 5G connectivity, you can experience blazing fast internet speed, making your online experience even more enjoyable. Alright guys, so let's talk about the software and features. The Motorola Razr 2023 come with latest Android 13 OS, offering a familiar and user experience interface. Motorola has also added some neat features to enhance the foldable experience, such as Flex Mode, which adopts certain apps to take full advantage of the fold screen aspect ratio. Alright guys, so let's talk about the pricing and availability. Now with all these fantastic features, you might be wondering about the price and availability. As of now, Motorola has kept the detail under wrap, but based on previous releases, we expect the Motorola Razr 2023 to be expected competitively priced. Alright guys, to wrap it up, the Motorola Razr 2023 is a remarkable device that pays homage to the classic flip phone while embracing the latest technology trends. With its foldable design, impressive display and powerful performance, this iconic comeback is set to make waves in the smartphone market. Thank you for joining us for this episode of the new Motorola Razr 2023. If you enjoyed this video and are excited about the Razr return, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments what you think about the modern iconic comeback. Until next time, stay tuned. See you. Bye bye.